Want to clear your Temu purchase history? Here's how to do it. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com on your browser. Now log into your account. Here you can see profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to go to your profile. Now go to order history. Here you will see a list of all your past orders. Unfortunately, there's no direct option to delete purchase history, but you can contact Temu customer support for assistance. Clearing your history can be a way to manage recommendation but may affect future suggestions. Have you contacted Temu support for this? Share your experience in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.